Hello, dear student. How are you? Dear student, today we are going to talk about physical and health education class 12th, unit 3rd, yoga and lifestyle, topic pranayam, meditation and yogic kriyas benefits. Dear student, pranayam, uh, you know that what is pranayam? So it is the fourth stage of yoga after asana. The word pranayam is derived from the Sanskrit word which means breathing air as power of life. Thus, pranayam are systematic rhythmic control of breathing to provide deep effects on mind. So, these pranayams deep effect on individual. Pranayam are systematic breathing activities in which inhalation, exhalation, and holding of breath, Purak, Rechak, and Kumbhak. So, Purak inhalation, Rechak, Kumbhak stop the holding the breath for some times, and Rechak exhalation. So, R control. There are various types of pranayams based on this process of inhalation, exhalation, and holding of breath, like Anlom Vilom, Kapal Bhati, Surya Vedam, Ujjayi, Brahmari, Sitli, Sitkari, Dhakni, etc. These pranayam develops a lot of inner strength and cure many chronic health problems. So first of all, you have to read about the Anulom Vilom. So Anulom Vilom, it is a simple inhalation from the left nostril, close right nostril by the thumb, hold breath for a minimum 20 seconds and exhalation from right nostril. And next inhalation from right nostril, close left nostril by finger, hold breathe for minimum 20 seconds and exhalation from the left nostril. In this way, repeat this process 15 to 20 times. It cures cough, cold, asthma, headache, reduce stress, relief from the breathlessness, regular temperature helps for meditation. So, Anulom Vilom, you are watching this figure. According to this figure, you have to perform the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So, when we will hold your breath, and it is just started, the Anulom Vilom started from the left nostril, then continue vice versa. We can do the from next from the left then right. So I think that you have understood about the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Now you have to read about the Surya Vedam Pranayam. The Surya Vedam Pranayam, it is a process of long inhalation for right nostril, stop it for the sometimes and then exhale from right nostril and vice versa. So by this Surya Vedam Pranayam, we have to inhale from the right nostril and exhale also from the right nostril. It cures cough, cold, asthma, headache, reduce the stress, relieve breathlessness, regulate body temperature, help in meditation. Now this time we have to read about the Ujjayi Pranayam. So pranayam, in this pranayam, the frictional sound with vibration is produced from the throat while exhaling from mouth. It cure throat cough, help in the meditation, reduce stress, give soothing effect over mind. So Jai Pranayam, you are watching here. Inhale through the both nostril with the contracted glottis and exhale through the left. Now you have to read about the Sitli Pranayam. It is a forceful inhalation from the mouth with the tongue. The tongue is shaped like O in between lips. It provides a cold feeling to body. It cure dry cough, asthma, and regulate the body temperature. So basically this pranayam is for cure for the cough, asthma, and regulate the body temperature. And we are feeling that sometimes hot, then that time we can perform this sleep pranayam, that also make our body to make cool. Now Sitkari pranayam. So Sitkari, it is a forceful inhalation from the mouth while lips are opened wide, whereas the teeth are closed. It gives soothing and cold feeling. It cures the dry cough, asthma, and regulate the body temperature during summer. So this is also Sitkari pranayam also cure the cough, asthma, and regulate the body temperature during the summer season. Now, Brahmari pranayam. So, Brahmari, in this pranayam, the exhalation produce the vibrating sound from the throat like honeybee flying. It's cure the throat cough, help in the meditation, reduce the stress, give soothing effect over mind. So, the Brahmari pranayam, there are the many kinds of benefits. ठीक sleeplessness, it can be the make the benefit for this migraine, sinus, blood pressure, angriness, and stress, and many kinds of you can worries, thyroids, and lack of the blood, throat disease, mental tension, and also make the development of mind. So there are many kinds of benefit of Brahmari pranayam. So we should perform this pranayam. Now dear student, you have to read about the Kapalbhati pranayam. So in this, a long inhalation is taken from the mouth, whereas the forceful exhalation is done from nose with pressure, while stomach is vibrated in and out. It cure many problems like cold, cough, asthma, digestive problem, obesity, etc. It regulate the glandular functioning, thus body function properly. So Kapalbhati also very important, and there are many benefits for the Kapalbhati. For its benefit for the kidney and sleepiness, and arthritis, potash, acidity, and problem of digestion. It also make the shining of the face. It can also help for our hairs, thyroids, skin problem, diabetes, cancer, depression, allergy, constipation, gastric problem. So there are many kinds of disease can be make cure and give the benefit for these all kinds of problems. So dear student, I think that you have understood about these all pranayam, and I think that these all pranayam when we perform the daily basis, and we can get that there are many kinds of the benefit by this pranayam. So according this, the few more the Noli Kriya, Jal Niti, Surya Niti, many kinds of more um, activities of the yogic kriyas. Yeah, also they can also give the benefit to us. Meditation. So you when you perform the meditation, or you have to sit on the yogic position and close your eyes and give attention for the both between the both eyebrow, mid of the center of the forehead. So you have to keep attention at that time. For the starting you can make the meditation for 2 minutes, then you can increase the time. So it's also very important for us. It can be make us calm, and it also reduce our stress, tension, and improve our memory. So meditation is very important for us, so we should also perform these meditations also. The many kinds of technique for the performing the meditation. So attention, make the attention of the any object, any things, that is make also the position of the meditation. So in this way we can perform also meditation. So dear student, whatever we are teaching you, and whatever topic we are talking about with you, so you have to complete all kinds of work and revise. I think that in this lockdown period you are many students they are completing their work very honestly, but few students they are not showing their work. Please, which student not showing their work, please you also complete your work and show me. Okay, thank you. Now we will meet then in next PPT. Okay.